Welcome to Thez Nutz Garage, and today we're going to be doing a house update. Alright, like I said in the video, what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be doing an update on the house build. I'm going to just kind of take you around the outside of the house. I have most of the outside of the house done except for the big back porch that's going to be back here. And we're going to be waiting till spring when the weather starts drying out to build on this screened in back porch. But I'll take you around outside real quick, show you what's going on, what we've done since the last video. And I'll bring you into the house, and I'm going to kind of give you a quick update on what I'm going to be doing over the winter. I'm just going to kind of move inside the house and start doing plumbing and things like that. And I'll just kind of walk you through real quick and show you where fixtures are going and, you know, basically the rough end of the plumbing. Alrighty, so here's the outside of the house, the front. Like I said, 95% of all the exterior is done except for what's going around back. And as you can see, I have up all my columns. I have my door in, my windows in. I have my window trim and door trim up. I still need to paint those. What's down here around the front door and around these lower windows, I need to paint some of that trim. Cutting over here to the garage, same thing. I have my door trim around my garage. And these little things on the edges are called pilasters, and then the things across the top are called crossheads. I still have a little trim work to do on the inside of the door frames. I'll get up here close enough so you can see it. Like here and here, I need to bend some metal. The reason why I haven't done that yet was because I was planning on removing these pilasters to keep them from getting damaged, especially when we start pouring concrete and stuff out here. But I'm thinking about just go ahead and adding these pieces to it, because I still have to remove this garage door to finish putting it up and do a bunch of work, and I just didn't want to damage that metal. We have our meter base in. Later on, this is all going to be graded and made concrete. There'll be a double driveway that goes all the way out here to the street. There'll be a sidewalk that goes up to my front door, and real big set of steps that goes into the front porch. But later on, I may put a standby generator out here. And if I do, my wife's probably not going to be happy, but it has to be extremely close to this meter base. So that may be something I do in the future, or I may put it somewhere else. And we're going to walk around here to the side. Sorry for the shaky video. All right, so this is a sidewalk we've had put in. It goes all the way around. And when the garage is done, there'll be a set of steps that lead up to the driveway and down to these steps. Later on, plan is to build a big shop right here that matches this one, but only bigger, and that's where all my YouTube videos and working on my vehicles will be held at. So like the video real quick if you want to help the channel to grow, so that way I can hurry up get that shop over there built. If you want me to get this shop built, I need some likes and comments and all that good stuff, you know, to help this channel grow. So out here, this is a kind of a retaining wall that I have temporarily built to hold this dirt back. And as you walk around the back of the house, all the siding is done. This leads to a back patio here. And I'll walk down into the backyard here in a second. This is an entrance into the back of the garage from outside, which is going to be handy. Because in the backyard in the future, there'll be a pool over here. This will be a sidewalk that leads out to a fire pit area back here in the future. After the house is done. All right, like I said, there's a little retaining wall right here. And what's going to happen is when we get the house done, I'm going to come back in and build another wall out here that's as tall as that little sidewalk. And it'll probably look like this brick over here. But it'll kind of go all the way around. Then right here, it'll step up and go all the way around. Now, let me walk back here so you can see this better. I got my tractor there in the way, old Miss Massey. All right. So this is wrapped in for the winter time. What we're going to be doing in the spring, like I said, I'll be tearing part of this back roof off right here and off right here. And then this will all be a big screened in back porch. And the roof will basically go back in and tie in somewhere right here. So that whole back porch will be covered and screened in. I just don't have time to do it before the rain sets in. It's going to take a minute to do that. And I'm just trying to wrap it up so it won't get wet during the winter. We did get our sliding glass door in. This is a 9-foot window with casement windows on each end that crank out. That's also a casement window that the windows crank out. And this is going to be really nice because I think I'm going to have like a little gas fireplace or a gas, I'll say a gas wood burning stove kind of look in this corner. Maybe have a hot tub up over there somewhere. So I guess I'll walk up here real quick so you can see it. All right, so as you come up here, like I said, there might be a hot tub here. This will be a step down. Ceilings in this particular room will be 9 feet. Here's the big window. Be like a sectional outdoor piece of furniture, something here or somewhere over here. And then, like I said, a little wood burning fireplace there. But this will kind of be the view. We're going to clean up some of this a little bit more in the future. So you'll have quite a good view of the backyard. So let's go around to the side. All right, here we are on the left side of the house. And when we get this back porch coming in, built, it's gonna come up and then the roof line will kind of be like this. Kind of match this roof line, but it'll just start here and kind of extend out over the back porch here. I do have one window to install up here. Haven't done it yet, may do it tomorrow. I don't know yet, but what I'll do is I'll jump around to the other side real quick, show you the other side so you kind of get an idea of what this is gonna look like. All right, so we're on the right-hand side of the house, and you see this little window up here. It's basically going to be a mirror image on the left side, and what that window does is it slides left and right. It's not really what they call an egress window because it's kind of small, but it is going to be above the beds in those rooms. So when you look above the headboard, you'll see these little windows. And just another way to get a little air into those upper bedrooms if they want to open the windows up. So let's jump in the house and I'll show you what we're going to be doing over the winter time. All right, so we're moving inside real quick. And I'm just trying to make a quick video as an update. But this room right here is where we're going to be starting at. When you're starting your plumbing, you always want to start with your drain water because it has to go where it has to go. It dictates where it's going. Everything else can work around it. All right, during the editing process this morning, I noticed I lost a lot of video clips. So from the last clip you've seen to this clip, there's going to be some things that you'll notice that I've already built and installed. So I'm just going to take you on a quick run through of the house real quick. It is kind of got a lot of stuff in here because I'm, working and storing stuff in here as well. But we'll start over here with the laundry room and the half bath, and then we'll work our way into the kitchen and just kind of around to the master bathroom, and then we'll jump upstairs real quick. All right, so here's going to be the half bath, toilet. Going to have a vanity right here. This area here will have a pocket door that slides here. That's why this opening is so big. See if I can zoom out a little bit. That's why this opening is so big, because I'm going to be installing a pocket door casing. So it has to be twice the size of your regular door. Over here will be the dryer, washing machine, and there'll be a cabinet here. Now, you see this pipe, this is going to be for the drain for the washing machine. This P-trap is on incorrectly, but it's not on. It's just, I put it there so I wouldn't forget it and I wouldn't lose it. So moving into the kitchen, this is a little pantry. It will be the island. This Tyvek laying on the floor just kind of representing an island in the kitchen. Over here is going to be the refrigerator. That's going to be an outlet for the refrigerator. Down here will be the ice maker box. Cabinets will go around through here. Be a double oven here. Cabinets will go around. Cooktop. Cabinets. And you get over here. Where these pipes are is going to represent your island or your sink in this bar. And then the bar is going to come out somewhere around here. I actually made it too long, so I got to cut about 8 inches off of it. So just move that over here and it'll be done. Dining room, full of stuff. That siding that I got to store somewhere. This is the foyer. I haven't done any work in here yet, but there is a few more things that I need to do. In here will be the return for the air conditioning unit, heating and air. Living room. I got my door installed and my window installed. I've been putting in some electrical boxes here and there. There will be a TV on the wall, entertainment cabinet here. So there will be quite a few boxes in this wall that I still have to install because there is going to be a surround sound unit in this house. So I have to put in some other electrical conduit boxes that allow me to pull the speaker wires. This is going to be the master bedroom. And before I get in there real quick, this right here will be, this part of this under the stairs area will be a, well, I'm not going to tell you, but it's just going to be something big and heavy that you can store your stuff in. Coming around here into the master bedroom, like I said, I've kind of got stuff set around everywhere. There's going to be a gas ventless or a vented gas fireplace like right here in the bedroom. And that's going to be basically it other than the bed. Maybe a couple of chairs here and there. And then the bed will be on this back wall. But as you move into the, we'll call it the ensuite, as the fancy folk call it. You're going to have a closet here. This will be maybe for sheets, towels. I don't know. Be a closet for that. Linen closet. Master closet. And like I said previously, it's probably in some videos, these are some antique doors we're going to be installing and refinishing. Like I said, this is the master closet area. Coming into the master bathroom. It's going to be a toilet, a half wall, 6-foot vanity, or 6-foot vanity, a cabinet here for towels and whatnot. Be a big jacuzzi tub here, and as you turn back this way, that'll be a big shower. So let's run upstairs and check that out. All right, coming up the stairs. Hadn't been a whole lot of work done up here other than this window and this bedroom. So we'll just start over here. Here's a bedroom. It's going to be a bath, closet, hallway. This area here will be for my office, where I'll do all my editing for my videos. Then over here is going to be like a little cubby hole, because the entrance into this bedroom will be straight in front of us here. You'll turn, there'll be another bathroom and a closet. And when you step into this bedroom, you'll have this window overlooking the backyard. Sit up here and maybe deer hunt. And then there'll be a closet right here, a double closet, and that's basically it upstairs. All right, so this is going to be the end of this update video on the house. Now, at this point, what I'm doing is I'm running my drain, waste, and vent pipes. So if you want to check out those videos, this will probably be in the same playlist. So you'll be able to go see how I'm installing the waste, or drain, waste, and vent pipe, which is basically the white pipe that you see in homes, it's all where all the water wastewater goes, and your sinks and things like that. And once we get this done, we're going to be moving on to PEX Pipe. Now, we're going to be using PEX-A. I just have this scrap piece, or this piece here, just for checking the hole sizes and things like that. But we'll be moving on to this PEX Pipe. Now, once we get that done, we'll move into the electrical, wiring up the house, and then after that, it'll be insulation and sheetrock and duct work for the heat and air units and things like that. So it's going to still be a long time before I'm ever done with this, but I'm trying to make progress every week that I'm off, and a little bit here, a little bit there. And this plumbing here is moving pretty quick. So like I said, if you want to see those videos, they'll be in this playlist, or maybe I'll put the links in the comments down below or something. So that's going to be it for this video. Y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video.